Let's start with my brand new song, and that is मैं जिस दिन भुला दूं तेरा प्यार दिल से वो दिन आखिरी हो मेरी जिंदगी का मैं जिस दिन भुला दूं तेरा प्यार दिल से वो दिन आखिरी हो मेरी जिंदगी का मेरी जिंदगी का. Firstly, I want to thank each one of you for giving so much love to मैं जिस दिन भुला दूं. It just released yesterday and it's getting so much love. It's trending. We've hit over 7 million views within 24 hours, and it's such a soulful number. And Jubin, Rochak, Manoj Muntashir, everyone who's attached with मैं जिस दिन भुला दूं, Raj, a huge shout out to the whole music team of T Series. And yes, so I am here today to talk about this whole new chapter in my life, and that is that of being a host and an RJ. तो एक सिंगर और परफॉर्मर से अब मैं इस रोल में भी आ गई हूँ, and I am hoping that all of y'all give the show Indie Hai Hum Season 2 that I'm hosting, which premieres on the 13th of February. I hope you guys give it all your love. Watch the show because independent artists through the country, we've got some talented bunch of artists who will be featured on the show. They will also be performing, and all artists doing different genres of music, from English, from doing rap to doing Gujarati folk to doing a lot of things. So we have a gamut of artists that are going to be part of the show. And yes, I am good, Ganesh. Thank you. I told y'all, keep your questions ready and not just emojis. So I'm ready to take in your questions. Hi. Tawbik from Bangladesh. Guys, so I am simultaneously live on both my Facebook handle and my Instagram handle. Yes. I am waiting for some questions. Thank you for all the lovely compliments that I see for my voice. Thank you. Alright, before I take your questions and I start answering your questions, I'll tell you all a little more about Indie Hai Hum Season 2, which is premiering on the 13th of February. A lot has gone into this show. There are going to be a total of 13 episodes, and along with the independent artists, there will also be artists from the music industry, and all of them are my friends, so it was very, very nice to know them a little more personally, because I usually meet everyone in the recording studios and never really उनसे वैसे बातें नहीं होती on a personal level. But this show is going to be a lot of fun. उनकी जर्नी के बारे में बात करेंगे और उनके साथ कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेम्स खेलेंगे. So yes. Okay. Soumya Sangvi on my Instagram is asking, what is your next song? Alright, so I've just got an update for the next song. I'll give a little hint here. It's a collaboration with an artist that I've already collaborated with last year, and we're gonna be shooting the song really, really soon. So keep guessing. The song is releasing in the month of March, so stay tuned for my next release also. And हाँ, अभी तो एक गाना रिलीज हुआ with Jubin, मैं जिस दिन भुला दूं, and ओके ये क्वेश्चंस पढ़ना ना मेरे लिए बहुत. आप तन्हाई सॉन्ग गाइए. यस डेफिनेटली आई विल hum a few lines of तन्हाई after I do take a little more questions. Let's go to Facebook. हाय नव्या, क्या बातें करूँ आपसे. हाय स्वपन कुमार, थैंक यू फॉर द लव. Vismaya says that his favorite song is Tanhai. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. All right. I am very, very excited about the whole thing of turning host. मेरे लिए actually बहुत नया था. I've not done that before. But it's really good that I've gotten an opportunity, and a huge shout out to Red FM for all the support and love they've given to me through the show. Our Delhi schedule we've wrapped, so yeah, that was a lot of fun. Coming to the guests, there will be 12 guests. Of course, we have the independent artists, so either bands or individual musicians will be there. And in terms of from the music industry, we have the first episode opens with Arman Malik and Amal Malik, the Malik brothers. And then we have a lot more artists lined up. There is Guru Randhava, Badshah, Palak Muchal, Jubin Nautiyal, Dhwani Bhanushali, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So there are a lot of all the artists who are doing independent music, Milan Gaba. So yeah, it was lot of fun meeting up with everyone. Yes, Ganesh says, I have a surprise for you in the upcoming episodes of Indie Hai Hum. Wow, I am waiting for that surprise, Ganesh. And I'm sure all my TKians would know that there is a hashtag called Ask Tulsi Kumar, where you can ask me the questions even on the show. Anything that you all want to know about me. तो वो भी एक चीज़ है जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए इंडी है हम सीजन 2 के बारे में. आपका नेक्स्ट लाइव शो कब है? नेक्स्ट लाइव शो गाइज इज इन मार्च. सो या आई थिंक द whole corona vibe has settled, so yeah, a lot more live gigs happening. All right, so I have someone here who wants to ask me a few questions. Manmeet from my team is here. Manmeet, you want to ask me anything?
So somebody asked you this question: if you have to describe your experience as a host in one word, what would that word be?
One word तो नहीं यार. As a host काफी कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ी. मुझे आदत नहीं है to kind of read through scripts etc. मैं कुछ अपने मन में आता है वही बोल देती हूँ. But I got the habit of reading through the script, and the entire experience was amazing. Got to learn so much, and हाँ, अब मैं अपने interviews में जो bites देनी होती हैं वो बहुत फटाफट बोल पाऊंगी, I'm sure.
Okay, so someone else asked, who amongst all the artists did you have the best fun shooting the episode?
You can't ask me this because I can't be mean. They all are my guests. Everyone was so much fun. Don't tell me to pick one. But I have my favorites. I do have my favorites, but I'm sorry. I'm not going to name anyone.
All right. And your fans also asked...
What are you eating looks like... Preeti had to ask this. Guys, this is my go-to food whenever I'm shooting and I feel I should not have salt. Because salt खाते ही जो है ना, मेरा फेस काफी ब्लोट हो जाता है, स्वेल अप हो जाता है. तो मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली सॉल्ट को कट करना पड़ता है. आई डोंट हैव अ इश्यू ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन वेट, बट तो इसलिए ये मैं खा रही हूँ. दीज आर ओट्स विद फ्रूट्स एंड yeah, no sugar also. So
and trust me, this looks delicious.
It looks delicious. But it is nice. Nisha has made it for me. A huge shout out to Nisha who's always there with me. Last live में निशा भी आई थी. हाँ.
Great. So one of your fans asked if they are seeing you singing in the show.
बहुत जरूरी बात तो बताना भूल ही गई. So of course you'll see me doing 12 different songs. Every episode will have an unplugged performance by me where I welcome my guest with the performance, and I'm super thrilled क्योंकि वो 12 अनप्लग गाने बनाने में मुझे बहुत टाइम गया है. मतलब I had to do it within a very short span of time. So Red FM ने मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं दिया कुछ काम करने के लिए, but I managed to do a fairly okay job. I'm sure you guys will like those unplugged versions. कोई live questions इधर आ रहे हैं क्या?
Somebody just asked how much do you work out every day?
How much do I work out? यार ये पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे सबको लग रहा है मैं बहुत ज्यादा वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रही. थोड़े थोड़े वर्कआउट्स करती हूँ मैं. I try to go for a run sometimes, and yeah, जो मैंने कहा ना वो पूरा फर्क जो पड़ता है when you want to lose weight, it's all about not eating. I mean eating healthy. So you have to eat healthy. मैंने जैसे कि कहा शूट डेट्स पे मैं I try and avoid salt at night, only at night. But that works for me. It might not work for you because I have the whole प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर रिटेंशन, तो इसलिए मैं सॉल्ट अवॉइड करती हूँ. बट वर्कआउट ज़्यादा नहीं करती. आई ट्राई एंड डू बेसिक स्टफ, एंड इफ आई डोंट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट देन आई गो फॉर अ रन. आई एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू. आई यू शूटिंग फॉर अ न्यू सॉन्ग वेरी सून एंड आई विल टेक यू. I will go live from the shoot, so it's very soon, so stay tuned for that live session also.
So a lot of people are asking you to hum a few lines for Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum.
Thank you. No, I'll take it. पहले प्यार का पहला गम, पहली बार है आँखें नम, पहला है तन्हाई का ये मौसम. अरे आ भी जाओ वरना रो देंगे हम. That was Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum. And tune into the whole song. You can go and check it out on YouTube or on any of the streaming sites. Looking smart. Thanks, Sunny. ऐसे कुछ comments Facebook से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Alright, everyone, on my Facebook page. Firstly, thank you and for joining in. And I know I do a Facebook Live very very rarely, so I will do that more often. And Indie Hai Hum season 2 releases on the 13th of February, where you will see me, Tulsi Kumar, as the host, and it's also going to be airing on the T-Series YouTube channel and radio simultaneously every Saturday in the morning at 9 a.m. So stay tuned for that. This Saturday it is Arman and Amal who will be on the show with me. So yeah, I'm super thrilled and I am still waiting for your questions. Alright.
So somebody else also asked if there is any secrets around Indie Hai Hum season 2 that you want to disclose on your live today. Any secrets around you or the whole season?
Lot of secrets will be revealed on the show, so you guys have to watch the episodes, because as I said, hi Shobita, my sister Shobita is here, my cousin. Lots of love. So yeah, there are going to be a lot of secrets revealed. I don't know about me or no, but definitely about all the guests who are going to be on the show. Sachet Parampara, it was a blast to be with Sachet and Parampara on the show. They are the newly married couple and they're totally killing it with their music. Yeah, so they were really really fun, and you'll get to know a lot of their shadi ka inside stories also. And with every artist, whether it was Milind, Jubin, Guru, Badshah, Dhwani, Palak, Arman Amal. Am I missing anyone? Yo Honey Singer. Yeah, everyone. You will get to know so much about them, so much more about them, other than their music. Tanishq Bagchi is also on the show. Rochak Kohli, my music director of Main Jis Din Bhula Do, is going to be with us on the show. So yeah, I'm super thrilled about all my friends and all the indie artists who are going to be on this show. What is the surprise, Tulsi and beautiful foodie? Aradhya is asking. Aradhya
So a lot of your fans had given their phone numbers and they got a call and they were all excited to know what was it.
Oh,
The fan question they asked.
so actually, if you all use the hashtag Ask Tulsi Kumar, you can actually connect with me through the show. So as you watch the episodes, you all can continue to do that and ask me any questions with the hashtag either under YouTube or under any of the social media posts of that particular episode. And you all will receive a call and I will be answering that question. So yeah. Ek yaad purani. You know, this entire show, you will hear me do a lot of unplugged songs. And a lot of songs that are sung by me, a lot of songs that are sung by my friends. तो मैंने ऐसे भी काफ़ी गाने किए हैं, like मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ, and of course I've done my songs like नाम तेरे नाल, तन्हाई, मैं जिस दिन भुला दूँ भी हमने mashup किया है with मेरी आशिकी, नहीं जाना, ज़रा ठहरो. So a lot of unplugged versions you guys would be hearing, of course, of all the independent tracks, and that's how the show starts. So yeah, I'm giving it all away in this live. बाद में Red FM वाले मारेंगे तो नहीं. All right, thank you guys. I think I've answered enough, and I've actually spoken enough. You guys give Indie Hai Hum Season 2 all your love, because this show is for all the independent artists out there. And I truly and genuinely believe that jitne bhi indie artists hai, they are very active on their social media, their YouTube. They all deserve to be in the forefront. We have such amazing talents, and मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया सबसे मिलके, सबसे बातें करके. So ये शो का सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है, to bring out that talent in front of all of you, ताकि आप लोग सब इंस्पायर हों उससे, और जितने भी लोग म्यूजिक को परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, they should also get inspired and feel that there is a show and there is a platform like Red FM and T-Series that absolutely supports independent music and independent artists. So yeah, that's our initiative, and that's what we intend to do with Indie Hai Hum Season 2. And yes, आप लोग देखिए उसे और अपना प्यार दीजिए to this entire season of Indie Hai Hum Season 2, which premieres on the 13th of February. And now I think I will say bye to my Facebook fam. Thank you guys for joining in, and don't forget to tune in to Indie Hai Hum Season 2 on Red FM and T-Series official YouTube channel, Facebook pages. It's gonna be everywhere, guys. See you. And my Instagram family, aap log kahin mat jao. We are, I'm taking you for a small home tour. And that's a place where I usually sit and have my chai. So this is the place jahan se main live ja rahi thi, and I will just walk you through my house to my studio where जो actually lockdown में पूरा studio मैंने ready किया है, and I've done all my major recordings from here. Right from I think I started with Phir Na Mile Kabhi reprise, and then it went to all the songs that happened after that were done here. So this is where I sit and I do my riyaz, and that's my little recording studio, guys, for those who haven't seen it. And that's my mic. So I really believe in this whole direction, कि कौन सी direction में you are facing and recording. So yeah, I believe in it, and it is the northeast that I face, and मैं वहाँ face करके गाती हूँ. So yeah, that is one little secret about me. So this is a very, very small studio that I have within the house, and I love recording out of here. I think after I have started recording myself, I have learned so much. I have learned so many, new things about my own voice. So it's very important for all of you who, love music, or who love to kind of, do covers and stuff for your Instagram also. I think it's very, very important to record yourself. But लॉकडाउन से पहले तक मैंने कभी रियलाइज नहीं किया, बट आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ग्लैड दैट आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग माई सेल्फ ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन, एंड टुडे I feel so closer to my songs and my music and the mistakes that I make. So it's really helped me a lot. Alright guys, I think this is it. I am gonna say bye-bye to all of you. Thank you for joining in this live, and don't forget, for 1 second before I go, say hi to Manmeet, say hi to Ayush, and say hi to Ashish. And we're just gonna be recording something with Ashish, and that's why he's here. There's this song that's very, very I've been humming it on repeat. It's called Lagaya Dil, and it's by Sajad Ali. And मैंने सबसे पहले one of the music arrangers and producers, Anmol Daniel, जिन्होंने तेरे नाल को produce किया है. I saw it ever since I've seen it on his Instagram. I am hooked to that melody, and मैं सोच रही हूँ आज उसको cover करूँ with Ashish, and I'm gonna upload it for all of y'all. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for joining in the live. Don't forget to tune in to Indie Hai Hum Season 2 on Red FM Saturday 9 a.m. and Saturday 9 a.m. on T-Series YouTube channel. ये सब मुझे याद हो गया. Guys, thank you for joining the live. Bye. See you. अरे ये कैसे ऑफ होगा?